Hey guys, it's Funny Little Animations, and today I'm going to be deciding which free app is better for beginners, Ibis Paint or Sketchbook. I'm using both an Apple iPad and Pencil for both of these, so if you are wondering about what application to use for PC, then this video is probably not for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. So right now I'm using Ibis Paint. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to try my best. When I first downloaded this app, it gave me a pretty helpful little tutorial that explained the basic things you would need to know, like the brushes, the colors, and it partially explains the layers, so that was nice. This app is pretty easy to navigate because it has little icons for everything, like the layers, the lasso, the brushes, and pretty much everything else. I like the brushes, but for most of the good ones, you would have to watch a video, and that's pretty annoying, so I would try to avoid it. Another thing with the brushes was that I had to scroll so much just to access one brush. Then I would scroll all the way back up, and then realize, oh, now I need to use that one again. That was probably the most annoying part. All of the basic tools are pretty easy to use on here. But when I tried to use the more advanced tools like the magic wand, the lasso, and some of the other layer settings, they started to get more confusing. I still don't understand how to use the magic wand. On the other hand, for the lasso, I decided to watch another YouTube video that explained it. Once I watched that, it turned out to be pretty simple, so maybe that was just stupidity on my part. The layers have some settings that seem unnecessary, but keep in mind, I'm still a beginner, so I don't know everything there is to know about digital art. Overall, this app was pretty fun, and it wasn't too hard to make this drawing. I think it's possible that I will use this in the future, especially because you can apparently also animate with this app. I'm probably going to try it out in a different video. Even though this app had a few confusing things, I still really liked it. The next app I'm testing out today is Sketchbook. Right off the bat, it didn't really make a good first impression. So I hit the screen record and started drawing. Every now and then I would check to make sure the screen recording was working because I had never used it before. So I finished my drawing and go to download the recording. Press download and you would think it would have worked because it made a little ding sound. Then it told me it was successfully saved. But when I checked my photos, I couldn't find it anywhere. It could have been an error on my part, but that did not give me a good first impression. Aside from that, the experience went fairly well. I really liked all of the brushes. They were so easy to navigate. And the thickness changed based on how hard you were pressing on the screen. This made everything a lot easier, and it also made things look much, much smoother. Everything else was pretty basic, and in my opinion, that was what made it so much better for beginners. Even though this app had a rough beginning, it really showed me how great it actually was. For both apps, I would recommend watching a video on how to use them before. I currently don't have any, but I might make some tutorials in future videos. Overall, I think the winner is Sketchbook! Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also really appreciate it if you checked out some of my other videos. Thank you!